Upgrade your cooking space with the top 21 coolest kitchen accessories on Amazon. These innovative gadgets are designed to make meal prep faster, easier, and more fun. From unique finds you probably haven't seen to clever tools that can be upgraded to fit your kitchen needs, each accessory brings real value. Stick around till the end. You won't believe some of the final kitchen gadgets and how much they can transform your cooking experience. Let's move on to the next product, the XbotGo Chameleon, a camera that doesn't just record your sports action, it edits it for you. Using AI-powered scene recognition, it automatically detects highlight moments like goals, saves, and celebrations, compiling them into a polished highlight reel right after the match. No complex editing software, no wasted hours scrubbing through footage, just instant, ready-to-share clips. It even supports live streaming, so friends and family can tune in live from anywhere with just a few taps in the app. On top of that, you get 20 gigabytes of free cloud storage, keeping your recordings secure and accessible anytime. For parents, coaches, and athletes, it's the easiest way to record, relive, and share your best plays. The Chameleon turns every game into a professional-looking highlight show, without needing a film crew or editing skills. Number 2. Sowspoy Titanium Cutting Board. Upgrade your kitchen game with the Sowspoy Titanium Cutting Board. Lightweight, durable, and scratch-resistant, this board handles every chopping, slicing, or dicing task effortlessly. Its non-slip base ensures safety while preparing meals, and the sleek titanium finish adds a modern touch to your kitchen. Perfect for both professional chefs and home cooks, it's a must-have for any culinary enthusiast. Don't wait. Click the link now to grab this durable cutting essential before it's gone. Number 3. Homestheix 3D Fridge Magnets. Add charm and organization with Homestheix 3D Fridge Magnets. These eye-catching magnets stick firmly while keeping your notes, photos, or reminders visible and secure. Crafted with premium materials, they resist fading and cracking, ensuring long-lasting appeal. Perfect for kitchens, offices, or dorm rooms, they make daily organization effortless. Brighten up your fridge and express your personality at the same time. Hurry! Limited stock is available, so click the link now to grab these fun, functional magnets. Number 4. Vitamix Propel 510 Blender. Take your blending to the next level with the Vitamix Propel 510 Blender. Engineered for speed and precision, it effortlessly blends smoothies, soups, and sauces to perfection. Its powerful motor and intuitive controls make creating gourmet recipes at home a breeze. Compact yet robust, it fits any countertop and delivers consistent results every time. For health-conscious food lovers or busy households, it's a game changer. Don't miss out. Click the link to grab this powerhouse blender today. Number 5. S&T Jumbo Microfiber Dish Mat. Say goodbye to wet counters with the S&T Jumbo Microfiber Dish Mat. Its super absorbent design dries dishes faster while protecting surfaces from spills and watermarks. The durable microfiber material resists wear and tear, making it perfect for daily kitchen use. Its large size accommodates pots, pans, and multiple dishes at once. Combine practicality with style and upgrade your kitchen routine. Act fast. Limited availability means you should click the link now to secure your mat. Number 6. SimplyNeat Dishwasher. Magnet. Keep your dishwasher organized with the SimplyNeat Clean Dirty Magnet. This handy accessory helps family members quickly identify when the dishwasher is clean or dirty, eliminating confusion and extra chores. Made with durable materials, it sticks firmly without damaging surfaces. A simple yet smart solution for busy households or shared kitchens, it adds both function and convenience. Don't wait. Click the link now to grab this clever kitchen companion before stock runs out. Number 7. DK177 Stone Dish. Drying mats upgrade your countertop with the DK177 Stone Dish Drying Mat. Its natural stone design combines elegance with practicality, absorbing water efficiently while protecting surfaces. The durable, non-slip base ensures stability, even with heavy dishes, and it's easy to clean. Perfect for home chefs looking for functionality and style in one accessory. Enhance your kitchen workflow and impress guests with this modern mat. Limited supply available. Click the link now to grab yours. Number 8. Emeril Lagasse 26 QT Air Fryer. Oven cook smarter with the Emeril Lagasse 26 QT Air Fryer. Oven. Enjoy crispy golden meals with little to no oil, making healthier eating simple. Its spacious interior handles large batches, perfect for families or entertaining guests. Versatile functions allow baking, roasting, and air frying with ease. Sleek and modern, it complements any kitchen decor while boosting efficiency. Don't miss this must-have cooking gadget. Click the link now to get your hands on it before it's gone. Number 9. HappyTrends Anti-Fatigue Mat. Protect your feet and joints with the HappyTrends Anti-Fatigue Kitchen Mat. Designed for comfort during long cooking or cleaning sessions, it reduces strain and fatigue, making daily chores more enjoyable. The durable, non-slip surface ensures safety on any floor, while its stylish design adds a modern touch. Ideal for home chefs, bakers, or anyone standing for hours. This mat transforms your kitchen experience. Limited stock. Click the link now to elevate your comfort today. Number 10. Fullstar Pro, Veg Chopper and Spiralizer. Simplify meal prep with the Fullstar Pro, Veg Chopper and Spiralizer. Dice or slice and spiral vegetables effortlessly, saving time and effort in the kitchen. Made from high-quality, food-safe materials, it ensures durability and easy cleaning. Perfect for healthy meals, pasta alternatives, or creative garnishes, it's a versatile addition to any kitchen. Don't settle for ordinary prep tools. Click the link now to grab this multifunctional gadget while supplies last. Number 11. Cuisinart DBM8P1 Coffee Grinder. Brew the perfect cup with the Cuisinart DBM8P1 Coffee Grinder. Freshly ground beans unlock rich flavors and aromas for your morning coffee ritual. Its durable blades and adjustable grind settings cater to every brewing method, from espresso to French press. Compact and stylish, it fits seamlessly on any countertop while enhancing your coffee experience. Coffee enthusiasts, don't wait. Click the link now to grab this essential grinder before it's gone. Number 12. Serrenf Kitchen Apron with Pockets. Stay clean and organized with the Serrenf Kitchen Apron. Crafted from durable, high-quality fabric, it protects your clothes while cooking, baking, or grilling. Multiple pockets keep utensils, recipe cards, and gadgets within easy reach, making meal prep efficient and stress-free. Comfortable straps ensure a perfect fit for every chef, while its stylish design adds flair to your kitchen look. Limited stock available. Click the link now to secure this essential cooking companion before it's gone. Number 13. KitchenClouds Anti-Fatigue Rug Set. Transform your kitchen comfort with the KitchenClouds Anti-Fatigue Rug Set. Designed to reduce pressure on your feet and legs, these mats make cooking and cleaning enjoyable, even during long sessions. The non-slip base ensures safety, while the cushioned surface supports your joints. Stylish patterns elevate your kitchen decor effortlessly. Perfect for home chefs or bakers, this set combines functionality and style. Don't wait. Click the link now to grab yours before supplies run out. Number 14. Albert&Grace Bamboo Cookbook Stand. Keep your recipes in view with the Albert&Grace Bamboo Cookbook Stand. Sturdy, elegant, and eco-friendly, it holds cookbooks or tablets securely while protecting pages from spills. Adjustable angles make reading effortless, and the natural bamboo finish complements any kitchen aesthetic. Ideal for meal prep, baking, or following online recipes, it's a must-have for organized cooks. Limited stock. Click the link now to bring convenience and style to your kitchen today. Number 15. Maison Cotton Kitchen Apron. Cook in style with the Maison Cotton Kitchen Apron. Soft, breathable cotton provides comfort, while its practical design protects your clothing from spills and splatters. A handy front pocket keeps utensils and gadgets accessible, making meal prep seamless. Elegant and durable, this apron is perfect for chefs of all levels. Upgrade your kitchen wardrobe and enjoy cooking more than ever. Click the link now. Limited availability means you should grab it today. Number 16. Findosom Fall Dish Drying Mat. Dry dishes quickly and stylishly with the Findosom Fall Dish Drying Mat. Its absorbent, non-slip surface handles heavy pots, pans, and glassware while protecting your countertop. Vibrant fall-inspired colors add a seasonal touch to your kitchen decor. Easy to clean and durable, it's perfect for daily use and entertaining guests. Don't miss out on this functional, eye-catching mat. Click the link now to secure yours before it sells out. Number 17. Sdfvsdg Adjustable Chef Hat. Upgrade your culinary look with the Sdfvsdg Adjustable Chef Hat. Comfortable, lightweight, and fully adjustable. It keeps hair out of your face while cooking, baking, or grilling. Designed for professional chefs or home cooks, it adds style and functionality to any kitchen. Perfect for themed parties, culinary classes, or everyday meal prep, this hat ensures you stay neat and focused. Limited supply. Click the link now to grab this must-have kitchen accessory. Number 18. Bartesian Home Cocktail and Margarita Maker. Mix bar-quality drinks at home with the Bartesian Home Cocktail and Margarita Maker. Effortlessly craft cocktails with precision, using fresh ingredients or pre-made pods. Its sleek design fits any countertop, while its intuitive interface simplifies entertaining. Perfect for parties, relaxing evenings, or gifting, this gadget brings luxury cocktails to your home without the hassle. Don't wait. Click the link now to elevate your mixology game while supplies last. Number 19. Shinlar Lemon Napkin Holder. Add style and convenience with the Shinlar Lemon Napkin Holder. Bright, cheerful design keeps napkins organized while adding a fun touch to your kitchen or dining table. Durable materials ensure long-lasting use, and its compact size size fits anywhere comfortably. Perfect for home meals, parties, or outdoor picnics, it's both functional and decorative. Stock is limited, so click the link now to grab this charming kitchen accessory today. Number 20, Yieach Acrylic Straw Holder. Stay eco-friendly and organized with the Yieach Acrylic Straw Holder. Perfectly stores reusable straws, keeping them clean and accessible. Transparent acrylic design allows quick identification, while its sleek appearance complements any countertop or kitchen decor. Ideal for daily use, cafes, or parties, it makes sustainable living easy. Don't miss out on this practical, stylish gadget. Click the link now to secure yours before it's gone. Number 21, Primo Lines Guest Towel Holder. Keep hand towels neat and accessible with the Primo Lines Guest Towel Holder. Durable and stylish, it fits any kitchen or bathroom, adding functionality without clutter. Its sleek design complements modern decor, while sturdy construction ensures long-term use. Perfect for guests or family, it simplifies cleanup and organization. Limited availability. Click the link now to grab this essential accessory and elevate your home's convenience and style today. That's a wrap on the 21 coolest kitchen accessories you need now. Don't wait. These deals are flying off the shelves. Click the links below, grab your favorites, and upgrade your kitchen instantly. Make cooking smarter, faster, and way more fun today.